గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ చిల్డ్రన్. ఈరోజు 4th క్లాస్ ఇంగ్లీష్లోని 3rd యూనిట్ వాట్ ఈజ్ ఏ ట్రీ లెసన్ యొక్క రైటింగ్ యాక్టివిటీస్, వొకాబులరీ, గ్రామర్ ఏ విధంగా చేయాలో మనం ఈ వీడియోలో తెలుసుకుందాం. మొదటగా
Glossary. Homemaker, a wife who does work at home. Gruhini. Firewood, wood useful to make fire. Vanta cheruku. Vocabulary. Trees are very important for us. They help us in many ways. How do they help us? Complete the word web given below. Uses of trees: fruits, flowers, vegetables, shade, medicine, furniture, shelter. Firewood. These are the uses of trees. Next activity. All the parts of trees are useful to us in different ways. Draw the part and write their uses. One is done for you. Leaf. Name, neem. Uses: medicine, Yugadi Pachadi, manure. Fruit, mango. Uses: juice, medicine, pickles. Root, carrot. Uses: juice, sweets, salads. Flower, rose. Uses: sweets, perfumes, decoration. Next activity. Fruits, vegetables, flowers, leafy vegetables. Fruits: apple, banana, mango, papaya, orange, pear, guava, grapes, sapota. Vegetables: potato, brinjal, carrot, beetroot, cabbage, beans, cucumber, radish, onion. Flowers: rose, lily, jasmine, marigold, lotus, hibiscus, oleander, daisy, periwinkle. Leafy vegetables: coriander, mint leaves, curry leaves, spinach, sorrel leaves, moringa leaves, Malabar spinach, green amaranthus, fenugreek leaves, next activity, grammar. Look at the picture given on page 33 and 34. Answer the following questions using the hints given. Where is Ammu sitting in the picture 1? Ammu is sitting under the tree. Where is Bittu standing in the second picture? Bittu is standing beside Ammu. Where is Bittu in the third picture? Bittu is in between Ammu and the fisherman. Next activity loki veldama. Where is the stove in the fourth picture? The stove is behind the woman. Where are the travelers belonging in the fifth picture? The travelers' belongings are tied in a cloth. Where is the monkey in the sixth picture? The monkey is sitting on the tree. Next, read the phrases given below and observe the underlined words. Under the tree, beside Ammu, between Ammu and the fisherman, behind the woman, in the bundle on the tree. The words on, in, under, beside, between, behind, etc. show the relationship of noun or pronoun to other words in the sentence. Such words are called prepositions. More examples: through, along, over, into, near, towards, etc. Look at the picture given below. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words, prepositions. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న పిక్చర్ని చూసి ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఏ ప్రిపోజిషన్స్ వస్తాయో సెంటెన్స్లో రాయాలి. చూస్తున్నారు కదా. వేర్ ఇస్ ద బాల్? అండర్ ద టేబుల్. పిల్లో ఆన్ ద సోఫా. Cat between the table and sofa. Flower was on the table. Book on the table. Chair beside the table. Okay, write down. The pillow is
dash the sofa. The pillow is on the sofa. Second one, the ball is dash the table. The ball is under the table. Third one, the cat is dash the table. The cat is beside the table. The boy is dash the sofa. The boy is behind the sofa. Fifth, the carpet is dash the floor. The carpet is on the floor. The lamp is dash the table. The lamp is on the table. The flowers are dash the vase. The flowers are in the vase. The table is dash the chair and the sofa. The table is between the chair and the sofa. Next activity. Look at the picture given below. Write 3-4 sentences using on, in, under, beside, etc. ఇక్కడ పిక్చర్లో మీకు చాలా ఐటమ్స్ కనబడుతున్నాయి కదా, ఏవి ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఉన్నాయో 4 సెంటెన్సెస్ రాయాలి. ఓకే, రాద్దామా మరి? ఓకే, నంబర్ 1, the flower is on the shelf. Second, the frog is in the almara. The cat is under the cart. The blue cat is beside the orange frog. మీకు కనబడుతున్నాయి కదా? ఓకే, మీరు కూడా ఇంకా చాలా వాక్యాలు రాయొచ్చు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ యాక్టివిటీలోకి వెళ్దామా? రైటింగ్. Ammu and Bittu met different people in the story. If Ammu meets a carpenter, what would she ask him? What would be his reply? Write the possible conversation between Ammu and the carpenter. Ammu: hello mama, how are you? Carpenter: hello Ammu, I am fine. Ammu: mama, what is a tree? Carpenter: it is wood to make furniture. This is the conversation. Next activity loki veldama. Trees are very useful to us, so you want to grow a tree. Describe the steps to grow a tree. Use the clues given below. Dig soil, sow seeds, water daily, add manure, remove weeds, put up a fence. I like mango tree. I got mango seeds with me. First I will dig soil. Next, I will sow seeds. మీరు మ్యాంగో బదులు యాపిల్ కూడా రాయొచ్చు. ఎనీ అదర్ ట్రీ నేమ్ రాసుకొని కూడా కంప్లీట్ చేయొచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ లైన్లోకి వెళ్దామా? ఓకే. దెన్ ఐ విల్ వాటర్ డైలీ. ఆఫ్టర్ 2-3 days a sapling comes. I will add manure. I will remove weeds. I will put up a fence. ఈ విధంగా వాక్యాలు రాయాలి. మీరు కూడా రాస్తారు కదా? నెక్స్ట్ యాక్టివిటీలోకి వెళ్దాం. కన్వెన్షన్ ఆఫ్ రైటింగ్. మేక్ నెసెసరీ కరెక్షన్స్ యూజింగ్ క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్ అండ్ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్. రీరైట్ ద సెంటెన్స్. కాకా, వాట్ ఈజ్ ఏ ట్రీ? కాకా, వాట్ ఈజ్ ఏ ట్రీ? హియర్ క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్, క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్. నెక్స్ట్ యాక్టివిటీ, ఫన్ విత్ వర్డ్స్. Fill in the blanks choosing the right word. The dash has a short tail. The hare has a short tail. I don't dash to ride a bicycle. I don't know to ride a bicycle. There are dash mangoes in the basket. There are 2 mangoes in the basket. Hari went to the dash shore. Hari went to the seashore. He dashed the storybook. He read the storybook. The glass is made of dash. The glass is made of steel. The squirrel's dash is bushy. The squirrel's tail is bushy. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో నెక్స్ట్ లెసన్ యాక్టివిటీస్ చూద్దాం.